In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel data into Jotform tables. Whether you're organizing information for a big project or streamlining your day-to-day workflows, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's get started by first logging into Jotform. If you haven't already set up an account, it's quick and easy, and you can access it right from your web browser. Once you're logged in, navigate to My Tables from the Jotform dashboard. This is where all of your table projects live, whether they're just ideas in progress or fully completed datasets. If you don't have a table yet and need to create one from scratch, you can do so here. However, if you already have a table where you'd like to import the Excel data, go ahead and open it. It's the perfect space to manage all of your information in an organized fashion. Now, with your table open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a menu signified by an icon, often referred to as 3 dots. Click on this icon to reveal additional options, and you will see the choice to import data. By selecting this, you're just a step away from transferring your Excel data into Jotform. The next window will prompt you to upload your file. This is where you'll select the Excel file from your computer that you wish to import. It's crucial to note that Jotform supports files with the .xlsx or .csv extension, so make sure your document is saved in one of these formats before proceeding. Once your file is ready and you're confident everything is properly set, choose your file and click Next. At this point, Jotform will guide you through the import process. Once you hit Next, it will take a moment to process the data from your Excel file and show a preview. Review the preview to ensure your data appears as expected and reflects the organization's needs. If everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm the import. Jotform will then seamlessly integrate your Excel data into the desired table. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily import Excel data into Jotform tables, enabling you to manage your information more effectively. Give yourself a pat on the back for taking control of your data with confidence. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one, where we'll cover more tips and tricks to make your Jotform experience even more robust and user-friendly. Happy form building!